Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure trailing stops with Fidelity Active Trader Pro detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Fidelity Active Trader Pro on your computer. Log into your account using your username and password. Navigate to the Trade tab located at the top of the platform. Select Order Entry from the drop-down menu. Choose the security you wish to trade by entering its ticker symbol in the designated field. Decide whether you want to buy or sell by selecting the appropriate option. Locate the type of order section and select Trailing Stop. Input the desired trailing stop amount. You can choose to set the trailing stop as a dollar amount or a percentage. Ensure you understand how the trailing stop works with your chosen security. Review the details of your order, including the price and the trailing stop amount. Make sure to check the time and force setting. You can select day for orders valid for the trading day or good till cancelled for longer duration orders. Once satisfied, click on the Preview Order button. Review all specifics in the Order Preview window. Confirm that everything is correct before proceeding. Finally, click on the Send Order button to execute your trade. Monitor your order status in the Orders section to ensure it is processed as intended. Adjust your trailing stop if needed, based on market conditions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.